In today's video, I'm going to show you IKEA BILRESA Remote. The IKEA BILRESA Remote is a small but clever smart home controller designed to make managing connected devices easier without always needing your phone. Built around the Open Matter standard, this remote works with IKEA's own home smart system via the Dirigora hub and can also pair directly with compatible IKEA smart products, letting you turn lights on and off, dim them, adjust colors, run preset scenes, or control groups all at the press or turn of a button or wheel. It comes in versions with either a scroll wheel or simple dual buttons, giving you flexible ways to interact with your smart home setup. Setting up the BILRESA is straightforward. Insert two AAA batteries, enter pairing mode, and connect it through the IKEA Home Smart app or any Matter-compatible system using the included QR codes. Once paired, the remote lets you manage up to 3 groups of devices, making it useful as a central controller near your sofa or bed. Its compact size and ABS plastic build make it unobtrusive yet functional, and its Matter compatibility means it should work with systems from Amazon, Apple, Google, Samsung, and more. In real-world use, opinions are mixed. Many users praise the utility and affordability of the BILRESA, highlighting its simplicity and the convenience of tactile control over lights and scenes. However, others report quirks with the scroll wheel's feel, occasional connectivity or pairing hiccups, especially outside IKEA's ecosystem, and varying compatibility depending on hub and platform support. These issues seem tied more to early Matter implementation challenges than the remote itself, but they're worth considering if you plan to integrate it into a broader smart home setup. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.